Filming high quality. Ooh, that's a big step. The thing is I don't have any snorkeling or diving planned, which is what I normally have a GoPro for. So if I get it, that means that I am actually going to want to make videos. $340 Canadian. Fuck it, let's do it. Okay, got it, and I've brought it home now. Let's unbox it. So when this was kind of forming in my head to do a YouTube channel, literally just couldn't fall asleep one night and I wrote it in my notes app. And then I knew that the GoPro was on sale at Costco. Now I used to own a GoPro. I had a GoPro Hero 10 and that's what I took sailing with me. Unfortunately, that perished in St. Helena. We went snorkeling with whale sharks. Water got in it. I tried the rice trick, never came back to life. So I missed out on footage for the rest of the trip. Whatever, it's fine. It's just the Caribbean. I'm kidding, I'm cutting that out. But I knew that I liked the GoPro and I wanted another GoPro. And then Costco, the nice thing about GoPro at Costco is they always have a bundle special. So it's not just the GoPro you're getting. They often come with 2 batteries, the SD card, the nice travel case, and something else that goes with it. So mine that I got before, it has 2 batteries, a battery dual charger, the GoPro, sticky mount for a bike helmet, and then just another extra mount, and the SD card, if I said that already. And it was a great kit. And then I bought some other stuff. So this time I bought the GoPro Hero 11 is on at Costco. In Canada, it's on sale $339 plus tax. So very reasonable price for a camera, and I like the versatility of it because it also leaves me hopeful that maybe I'm gonna go snorkeling or scuba diving in the future where I need an action camera. Otherwise I can take it biking. What I really like about it is it's small, it's versatile, I know how to use it, it has a large amount of megapixels. Okay, so opening it up, got everything here, very nice. So right away, I noticed I've got the GoPro, all brand new, unopened. It's got the pieces, so the mounting piece, which is nice because the GoPro one that I had before actually broke. The screw, this part you peel off the sticky bit and you can stick it on your helmet. Now it came with 2 batteries. The nice thing, my GoPro 10 came with regular batteries, but this GoPro 11 comes with Enduro batteries, so they're gonna last longer and they're gonna be better in different temperature climate, which I found was nice for places like around the equator. It was too hot. But what I really wanted is, look what this kit comes with. It comes with a little tripod. So you can hold it like this, a little mount, or pop it out. It's a little mini tripod, which is why I was like, oh, well maybe if I'm filming starting off, this is what I want to start with, because I can take it out in the field and use it in my life, but then also I can use it for my made up YouTube channel. So I'm excited for this. So with all of the perks and the GoPro for $339, I don't think that's particularly a bad price. Also it comes with the SD card. It's only 64 gigabytes, but it is a 3U class 3 A2. There's certain SD cards that only work for high quality video footage. Not all SD cards are built the same, and this is the one that does work with the GoPro. So it is nice to have, even if it is only 64 gigabytes. I plan on transferring stuff off and using it. Also, so I could subscribe to GoPro for the best experience. Maybe I'll do that this time. Oh look, comes with some nice stickers as well. Anyways, I'm excited now to set this up. So at this point, having a GoPro, I can still delude myself that this is just kind of, I wanted this for life and travel, and I didn't just go and spend a bunch of money on equipment for a made up YouTube channel that's literally just in my head at this point. I could just be talking to myself right now and never post this anywhere. But it brings me joy, and it's a nice way to spend your time. Just a new little hobby, you know? Filming myself, buying myself stuff. What a great hobby. Can't beat that. Okay, I'm gonna go charge this bad boy up, and then we'll set it up and we'll see how she films. Thank you, Prime Day. Okay, I should have done this before I started filming anything, but whatever. I don't need to. I'm learning this as I go. I'm pretending to. I already opened it and had a terrible shot where the light was going around. Okay, let's not open with the address facing. Okay, I got a tripod for my phone because I think rather than propping my phone up on an old sewing machine, I can have it. Okay, whew, it looks like it's part of the mount that I turned. I decided to get a tripod so that I can put my phone on stuff instead of propping it up on a sewing machine. So this one was on Amazon, not that expensive. I think I spent about 25 Canadian on it. I always get stuff that's on sale or has coupons and is a lightning deal because I'm cheap. And I'm sure maybe if I want to keep doing this down the road, I'll invest in a nicer one. But I think it's going to do great. Now I'm going to stop filming with my phone here and I'm going to put it on the tripod and we'll try that there. Wow, literally just found my old laptop sitting under here. Let's see if she boots up. Okay, so I've been trying to think if my old laptop is going to work. It's not. So then I was thinking of getting a new laptop and I was trying to figure out if I wanted a laptop or a desktop. And then I think I decided, because my life's not stable enough right now where I could be in one place long enough for the lifespan of a desktop, I decided that I'm going to go for a laptop and just buy a monitor, keyboard and mouse set. And then I'm in this room that I'm going to transform into my studio. And then I realized there is like a little, I don't know, what is that, 30 inch Samsung TV sitting in here? But it's HDMI connection. So, I mean, theoretically, can you use a TV as your desktop monitor? Do people do that? Also, look at this. What is that? Okay. It's not here yet. Ugh. Okay, let's get this bad boy out. Oh yeah, this little, can't lose this. This is big. Ooh, silent keys. Oh, there we go. Boom, boom. I have a mouse, it scrolls. Very smooth. Ooh. It works! Amazing. Okay. So I have a mouse and keyboard. Fortunately, it's USB-A, and the MacBook that I got only has USB-C ports. So no, that's not gonna work. No, I got this. I'll use this for my MacBook. It's got a USB-C and a USB-A. It looks a little cumbersome, but I don't want to buy full Apple products. I know that's how Mac is designed, to kind of force you to buy all of their stuff, but I'm gonna fight it because I'm just starting and I don't want to spend that much money. I've already spent a lot of money. Gotta be frugal. There we go. Okay. Oh boy. Okay. Well, that's fun packaging. MacBook Pro. Look at that. They give an official Apple box. However, it says Apple certified refurbished. That's what I mean, where you think I'm spending the big bucks. And I am. This cost me $2,500. But I went with refurbished. That way, it's with Apple, so it's on the official Apple warranty. If you read through what the Apple refurbished program gives you, you still get a 1-year limited warranty on every single refurbished product. They always give a brand new battery and a brand new outer shell, and everything is tested to make sure that it's up to snuff. Woo. Oh, another one over here. Whoa. Oh, it's so thin. So much money in just one little thing. Oh, look at that charging block. So it's the 70 watt, so it can do a quick charge in 35 minutes. It'll have 50% charge. USB-C to MagSafe connection. I like the wire. Seems high quality. That's all as it should be. I'm a bit sweaty, but I think it's time to open up the microphone so I can do the rest of the filming with volume. This maybe. Oh, hang on. This is so funny. This is all new to me, but I bet everyone's seen these before. So we're gonna stick this guy on here, and then this guy in here. It's flashing. Oh, it went green. Okay, is my microphone on now? Is everything louder and better? Am I recommending it? No. I just started using it 30 seconds ago. Maybe in 6 months. I feel very professional. I feel like a real YouTuber. It's funny, all the real YouTubers are just like, girl. Okay, one more test, because I don't know if I like the sound quality of it here. So does it make more of a difference if I'm holding it here? Does this sound really clear, or does it also sound kind of tinny? Okay, now what does that do? How much does this take? Because this is kind of for wind, and there's not a lot of wind going on in my room. So is this clearer? Can I wear it down here and it's still a good sound quality? So as you could probably tell, I didn't decide to go with those microphones. I found that the quality of the Bluetooth connection wasn't that great. Unfortunately, that's not something I learned until after I read reviews online. So in the meantime, I'm using a wired headphone connection to do my voiceovers. If you have any recommendations on a microphone that you find works, I would love to hear it. Please leave me a comment. In the meantime, I had a lot of fun filming this episode. It's really exciting buying new equipment, and as you can see, it took me a while to get into the hang of it, but I'm enjoying it more and more. Thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate you taking the time to come and check it out. If you haven't already, if you like what you see and if you're interested in learning more, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it a lot. I only have a couple followers, so I notice as soon as someone follows, and it makes me really happy. So thank you for doing that, and thank you for watching this. Alright, I'm done. Get lost.